On today's episode of LiveLeanTV, we're sharing 5 ways to keep salad greens fresh longer in the fridge. But before we get into it, I've had a few DMs on Instagram asking me who won the LiveLean20 diet cookbook system from last week's video. Well, unfortunately, we needed to get to just 100 likes on the video, which we didn't get. So if you always tap the like button while you watch our videos, thank you so much. We really want to hook up our community with more giveaways, but in order for us to do so, we need you to participate. So let's try this again. If this video gets 100 likes before next week's Wednesday's video, I'll hook up a winner with our LiveLean20 diet system. So to be eligible, all you have to do, click the like button, subscribe with notifications turned on, and then answer the question of the day at the end of this video. So with all that out of the way, let's get into it. The 5 ways to keep salad greens fresh longer in the fridge. Now, these 5 simple tips applies to most types of salad greens, including spinach, lettuce, and arugula. And we actually share the best tip to stop your produce from getting wet and soggy at the end of the video.
I love this question.
It's from Labrina Jameson.
Labrina. Wait, why are we laughing? What's funny about that?
Because of LeBron James.
Oh.
Labrina Jameson. From @HoopsMagoops on Twitter. Says, any trick to keep my greens that are in the plastic containers from getting so wet and soggy after opening? It's a good question. Like salad, like lettuce.
Boxes,
we're kind of coming close to that right now with the arugula that's in the fridge.
Oh, really? Oh, because we got a giant box of arugula like this big. It's maybe a week old now.
So tip number 1, add paper towel to the salad container. So excess moisture is one of the main reasons why your leafy greens are getting wet and soggy in the fridge. So to keep your salad greens fresh longer in the fridge, it's best to store them in the fridge before washing them. But if you prefer to pre-wash them so they're then ready to use, adding a paper towel to the container becomes even more important. So this paper towel helps to absorb the moisture, thus keeping the salad greens fresh for a longer period of time. So here's how to use paper towels. Number 1, dump the salad greens out of the container and into a big bowl. Then place a paper towel on the bottom of the container or a resealable bag. Add a few handfuls of the salad greens on top of the paper towel, then place another paper towel in the middle of the salad greens. Then add the rest of the salad greens to the container and top with a final layer of paper towels. Seal the container or the bag, then store it in the fridge. Tip number 2, place the salad greens on top of specialized fridge shelf liners to keep your fruits and vegetables fresh for longer periods of time in the fridge. Although we've never used them, these Blue Apple fresh mats on Amazon have a lot of positive reviews. So when you place your greens or your vegetables on these mats in the fridge, they claim to keep them fresh longer by improving airflow and circulation. So if you want to try the Blue Apple fresh mats, we'll leave an Amazon link in the description below. Number 3, store the salad greens in a specialized crisper bag. So on Amazon, you can buy a specific type of organic cotton vegetable crisper bag from a company called Veggie Bag. So when you wrap your vegetables in the bag, they claim it can keep your vegetables fresh for up to 2 weeks. Again, full transparency here, we've never used them before, so we can't speak from experience that they work. However, if you want to try the Veggie Bag out, we'll leave an Amazon link in the description below. And tip number 4, freeze your salad greens. So if you have a surplus of salad greens in the fridge and you know you won't eat them in time, try freezing them. Simply add them to a resealable freezer bag, remove all the excess air, seal it, then store it in the freezer. You can then use them up by adding frozen greens to your smoothies.
Yeah, so tips to stop them from getting wet and soggy. Eat them faster.
That's what I just say that.
Yeah, eat it faster.
When you do notice them starting to get that way, fire them in a smoothie.
Yeah.
Oh,
Or cook.
We're
right?
so in sync.
You could cook them, yeah.
You could also, throw them into an omelet or something.
Yeah, you and me, boo. Like this.
Like this.
Like this. Like if you're getting a regular sized container of greens and you can't go through it fast enough, you're not eating enough greens.
Yeah, it's true. Even if you're like solo, like you should still
even by yourself.
When I was by myself, I was going through those things in no time.
Too. Yeah, and that's like one of those items, like I was saying with the Costco haul, that we'll stop at Ralph's and stuff throughout the week just for like little stuff.
Out.
It's always the greens, right?
Even though we buy the big bags of it at Costco, we still run out before everything else.
Because we eat so many freaking greens. We probably go through one of those small boxes every 2 days. So that's the answer.
All right, if you're ready to live lean, go get our free 7-day Live Lean starter guide. You'll discover the workout and the nutrition secrets to simplify your journey to healthy and sustainable results that last forever. So the starter guide includes a 7-day workout schedule comprised of 7 Live Lean workouts focused on fat burning, lean muscle building, athleticism, and mobility. And every workout includes exercise demo videos. You'll also receive a free 7-day Live Lean meal plan, which includes step-by-step cooking videos for every single recipe. So go join thousands of others and get this free instant access to all this, plus our 5 steps to start living lean today. Click the link to sign up for free in the description below. Question of the day: what are your best tips to keep your salad greens fresh longer in the fridge? Share your experiences in the comments section below. Now I want you to go check out this video post right over here to take the 7-day spinach challenge.